Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're not receiving Outlook new email notifications on your Windows 10 device. So this could be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it should say settings. So go ahead and just left click on that one time. Select the system tile. And now select notifications and actions on the left side. And then you want to make sure where it says get notifications from apps and other senders is turned on here. So that is very important. So you might also want to consider scrolling down here and seeing getting notifications from these senders. If you see Outlook in here, you want to go ahead and just turn that to the on position. So pretty straightforward on that. And once you're done with that, just close out of here, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.